to the good. Yo, so you guys wanted me to do Pokemon Go, and here we go. Here I am. This is actually my Pokemon. I've already started Pokemon Go, believe it or not. Yep, very efficient. So I'm actually quite good, you know. A bit of a sweat. Yeah, but that's what you need to do to enjoy games. Yeah, I haven't got a Bellsprout yet. Level 15, that is what we like. And they're my Pokemon. Fireman Vind, Vindaloo, Hypno's quite good. Fat Vind. I'm not actually that fat, you know. I'm actually really not. Tentacle, yeah. Rainer, that is going to be leveled up. I forgot to name that one, so it turned out as a Flareon or whatever. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you that. So next episode, I'll actually try and catch Pokemon for you. Yeah, so that's the end of the video, and boom!